Hello, so this is my project and I called it Burner just because, and it's basically a real-time translation glasses. So it would appear in front of the user's field of view like subtitles. And the way it works is that it basically captures speech, sends it to the processor, and in this case my MacBook is the processor, and it changes it from speech to text using Whisper, and after that it either transcribes it or sends it through Argos, which is a translation API that just translates it, and then the translated text would be transmitted to my microcontroller, which is the Arduino Nano ESP32 via Wi-Fi, and the microcontroller will send it to the OLED display and format it and everything. The OLED display would go through the optical alignment or optical arrangement for the user to see within their field of view. To give you guys a visual aspect of my project, this is not connected to anything, but the USB-C would be connected through here, and it could be powered through a power bank, or even you could just plug it into your phone. That's what I use. Here's the reflector. Put it on like that. It only weighs about 71 grams, so it's not even that heavy. The only thing that makes it heavy is the lens itself, because it's glass. But yeah, everything else is pretty light. For the software bit, I have two different Python applications. I have one that translates from English to another language, and that one you have to specifically choose what language you want it to translate to. And then I have another one that transcribes everything into English. So if you speak English, it'll be a transcription. If you speak another language, it'll translate it to English. So the default one that I run is the one that translates any language into English, just because it has that automatic language detection. And that's also what I showed in my demo video. This is the system working. So this is what the user will see when they put this close to their eyes. Now, it doesn't really work well when it's on bright surfaces. Hello, this is the transcription mode. So it just translates, it just writes down everything that I'm saying. It can also do automatic language detection, but it's not very good. For example, I'm gonna try and say something in Spanish. Buenos días. Oh, you see, it works first try, but most of the time it doesn't. We can try something in French. Bonjour. Bonjour. Yeah, it might also be my pronunciation, but that worked fine. Alright, thank you. Overall, this project cost me like 25 to 30 pounds, not including the wireless microphone, not including the MacBook, or the cost to print my 3D models and small bits like the wires that I used to solder the microcontroller and OLED display together. So yeah, pretty affordable.